UPS just left. My sponsored package has arrived. Let's go see what we got. Oh yeah, so I did throw out some hints last video. My exhaust is dumped. Pypes has chosen to sponsor the channel. They sent me out exactly what I wanted. I had a choice, pipe bombs or violators. I've seen a ton of videos on pipe bombs and the sound, but the ones I've heard in person are the violators, and I love the violators, so I ordered the violator kit with the black tailpipes. That's what they sent me, and let's get it opened up and get this checked out. All right, guys, here we go. Ignore the heavy breathing. Not only am I fat, I'm extremely excited. So here's one of the mid pipes here. Nice t-shirt. Got a lot of packing in here. There's the tailpipes right here that goes over the axle. There's the Violator mufflers. The banner. Call me weird, but I'm excited over the banner. I like my banners. Got the Super Clean, the Quantum. I'll hang the pipes up somewhere. Let's see, I believe this is the tailpipe. Let's check this out. Yes, this is the exhaust tip. I realize I just called it a tailpipe, but look at that. 3-inch exhaust tip, black. The pipe bombs only come with resonated tips. Not that that's a huge issue, but I wanted the black tips, and like I said, I love the way the Violator exhaust sounds. So everything appears to be in here and in great shape. Like I said, there's a flow tube. Got both flow tubes here. Even got the ever famous Pypes stickers. Well, anybody's stickers are ever famous in my book, because that's half of the fun of getting the package. Here's my other tip. Just peeking in. Everything matches. Everything was boxed really good. This outside box looked like it took a beating, but to my surprise, the inside had plenty of air and foam packing, so everything looks great. The pipe itself, all in bubble wrap. The hangers have padding over it. Doesn't feel like there's any burrs or anything. Yeah, this is a great looking exhaust, and I'm super excited. So like I said, got my banner, got my shirt, got my exhaust. Man, I cannot wait to get this installed. So in this little box is the collectors that pull the flanges and stuff together. There's the hardware, clamps. I mean, and this isn't cheap stuff. A previous exhaust I had that had stuff like this was almost like soft aluminum. I wouldn't even call it mild steel. This stuff right here is stainless. This is good stuff. Let's take a look at that muffler though. Okay, the Violator muffler. One of my favorite things. It's clearly marked inlet and outlet, and it's just a very well built muffler. And one thing you'll notice is if you look in, there's all these little sound deflectors in there. So to my knowledge, I can't see all the way in there, but going by the sound, there's no packing over here. So this flow tube, the Dynamax muffler, it comes over almost just like the DNA, but it's perforated and has packing. Okay, this one does not. It's a chamber. It has the flow through, and it has all the little sound deflectors in there. So I'm extremely excited to hear this on my car. I will be adding weight. This whole package shipped, and of course that includes, you know, the packing in the box and everything, which I wouldn't assume is more than a couple of pounds, but this is like 50 something pounds. So I'll be taking off like 17, putting on 50. So I'm getting 40 something pounds, but I'm not all, you know, I'm not worried about that right now. I want to get this on and sounding good. And like I said, this is good quality stuff. This is not a cheap kit by any means. Very good stuff. I can't tell you how happy I am. So looking in there, I see no packing. So I think it's like I was saying before, it's just an open chamber. I can see right down to the corner on this. It's not going to pick up as well on camera, but there is no packing material in there. So that's pretty awesome. One other thing that seems to be unique about the pipes from systems that I've seen, and maybe that's why this is so aggressive, is this is the inlet, which is engine side. The air comes in and goes out that way. If you notice on the inlet side, let's see if I can get the light on here, the louvers, or whatever you want to call them, are facing the opposite direction. The other mufflers I have seen that have this set up, the air goes in this way as to catch the sound waves. There you can see the shining back in there, that there's no packing. But theirs is ran opposite. So you would run it this way. This is the inlet side, and the fins are facing the other way. So that's probably another reason why this is so aggressive as far as sound goes. But they are great sounding mufflers. I've heard them in person, but I haven't seen a ton of videos that cover this on 97 GTs. So I'm super excited to get this done. What do y'all think of Pypes joining the Horseplay family? Oh, told y'all it was going to be big. I got Nitrous Express, Quantum Fuel Systems, Super Clean, Pypes, Energy. Man, I'm blessed in this area of people taking a chance on the underdog. And that's what this is. Just the underdog channel. I don't get into crazy edits. I just want information out there. And, you know, 250,000 views and growing. I'm super excited for this channel. And, you know, I didn't start taking it serious till about 2019, 2020, something like that. And, you know, it's not growing astronomically like some of the other channels, but I'm not some of the other channels. And I'm kind of in the niche for SN95s, and I think I'm doing pretty good for myself. So, super excited to get this on. The next video should be the install, and then, of course, I'll have my startups, my drive-bys, all that stuff. God, did I mention I'm excited for this? Man, I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been super excited about anything. But this has made me excited, guys. So, if you go to Pypes, find an exhaust you want for your car, Camaro, it doesn't matter. If you find a system for your car you like, use the code HORSEPLAY on Pypes, and you get free shipping. Any exhaust, free shipping. So that'll help the channel out. I get a little bit of incentive off of that. And y'all get free shipping, which is usually $60, $70. So that's a pretty good chunk of change that you don't have to pay using my code. So again, Horseplay on Pypes. Go find you an exhaust. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Gonna get this installed, providing weather holds out on me. Peace.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never